Hey, Rachel and Lisa, I want to congratulate you on your Amazon's Choice badge for Cradle Cap Oil on this listing. I know how competitive this category can be, so to see a choice badge is really a job well done. Now, my job is to look for potential opportunities with sellers who prioritize on Amazon. And if it's okay with you, I'd like to show you a large module, which you have for this listing. You're not utilizing it, but it takes up valuable real estate. In addition to a few other things I noticed, my name is Shawn and I'm an account executive with my Amazon guy. So listen, I'm going to pack this full of valuable information. It's designed to help grow sales. We'll get to that module in just a minute, but the first thing I want to review are your keywords. Now, we utilize this tool to look at sponsored and organic keywords. We do a ton of competitive research and other things. And your keywords are a little low. So you've got 462 sponsored, a little over 1,000 organic keywords. Now, your ratio is pretty close to what we recommend, a 1-to-2 ratio. So for every one sponsored, you have 2 organic. And we tend to see organics in the 3,000 to 5,000 range. But let's look and see how you're performing within the keywords. So as I scroll down, you'll notice that I sorted the keywords by the most searched within the category. And then on the right-hand side is your sponsored and organic rank. Now, when you see hyphens and no numbers, it means that these are very relevant words to your product, but you're not indexing for them. So right away, I see exposure that you could get, which you're not receiving right now. Additionally, a lot of your organic keywords, if you are indexing, you're in the triple digits. And when that happens, it means that your pages deep, sometimes so deep that it's hard to find you within the search results. So I want to see if I can put this into context for you just a bit. So let's see. Here we go. Baby brush set for newborns. There are 4,640 people looking for that on Amazon US this month alone, and you're organically ranked 285. So all the sponsored ads show up before you, and then 284 other organic ads. And just to give you an idea, this is the amount of revenue, $1.5 million, that has been generated in the past 30 days through the words baby brush and comb set. So you've got to ask yourself, is the organic rank of 285 sufficient enough for you to get your fair share of this revenue? And the answer should hands down be no. I'd absolutely update your keywords. Now let's talk about competition. I took the words cap from your title and found this listing here. Now, I'm not doing any product comparisons. What I want to show you is really interesting. This right here. So they've got 889 sponsored keywords, but look at the organics. They've got over 4,000 organic keywords. And because of this, they're selling more than you, even if they weren't advertising. So let's negate the sponsored keywords. They'd still sell more than you because they have 4 times the organic keywords, which means they've got far more exposure than you do. They have sold over 7,000 units in the past 30 days, and you're at 500. So it shows that their advertising is paying off. Now, let's talk about your organics. Here at my Amazon guy, we break up our SEO process into 4 phases. And in phase 3, we look at those keywords where you're ranked in spots 20 through 50 organically. So you've got 163. And because of that, you're really not benefiting from that organic traffic. So our focus would be to lift you up through the ranks so that instead of being in spot 33 for cradle or 28 for cradle cap brush, we'd have you in the top 10, right? And if you're not having to sponsor these words any longer, imagine the impact it'll have on your ACOS, plus all of the extra sales and traffic that you'll receive. So don't forget, it's the words that gets your listing above everybody else's in the search results, right? So I'm going to go through your listing now. Let's look at your images. Wow, this is cute. So at first I wasn't sure what the orange thing was, but now I see it's a comb. I thought it was something that goes inside the bottle. Very good picture. This is an excellent picture. This is not, you can't see it, it's blurry, And you've already got this picture twice. So I would update and add infographics. You don't have any infographics. Also, I will tell you the number one most clicked on picture on Amazon is of a cute baby. So feel free to put more babies in your images. Also, too, your title, you want to be as close to 200 characters. You've got room for 50 more characters. And this is one of the first places Amazon looks for your organic keywords. And then they come down to about this item. These bullets you want to update as well. Make sure you've got close to 250 characters and update them often with those frequently used words. Now, let me show you that module. So if you do anything today, please log into Seller Central. And right above product description, you'll see a brand story. That's where you can put your brand logo, talk about how Ladybugs got your start, why you do what you do, what makes you so unique and special. I'm not sure if they've done it here, but I just want to see real quick. They did. Okay, so this is their brand story. Now you can take it a step further. Let me show you if I can. Another module. So this is a brand story called, or for a seller called Age of Sage. And look, the background is completely filled with graphics. You can put a ton of hyperlinks in here to noteworthy products, even your brand store. It's absolutely the best module that Amazon has come out with for branded sellers and helping you grow your brand on Amazon in a long time. So let's look at your alt text, Ladybugs, Cradle Cap Kit. Add more to that, Ladybugs founders. Hi, Rachel and Lisa. Add more to it. You can have 100 characters within each one. And you want to make sure in your alt text that you put the words that people are typing in when looking for something like this. They're not typing in the word assortment. So the other last thing I would add is a product grid down at the bottom. The product grid would help increase your average order value. So listen, here at My Amazon Guy, we are a full service 300 person Amazon agency, and we manage over 250 brands, giving our clients peace of mind knowing Amazon is handled so they can focus on their business. We grow sales on Amazon. I'd love an opportunity to chat with you. So go ahead and click the link in my email that reads book a call, snag yourself a free consultation. And once you do that, I'll email out the competitive analysis. But thanks so much for watching. Look forward to speaking with you soon. Take care.